So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched Bear Super Low Cap meme coin. This meme coin is pumped by more than 1000% in last 7 days, and in last 14 hours you can see friends 114% pump here based on basis snaps and other meme coin on best chain. So that's why this meme coin is really amazing and right now trending here. So is it also possible that we can see its major in like chain listing soon? Because friends, you can see last 7 days performance is amazing. Burst market cap is just $3 million also. So if it's possible that we can see major central exchange listing soon, then this market cap can increase and can goes up to 10 million to 30 million. That will be 10x from here in short term, but in long term definitely it's possible that we can see Bitcoin up to maybe $1 billion market cap from here. What's the reason why this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin? I will share you all further details here. You have to just for the computer here. But friends, before further details about Beast, if you like my content and if you want to watch more low cap meme coins, new meme coins that can be the next 1000x potential meme coin in future, so you have to support Sky Crypto channel. I have provided these all my crypto addresses links in description. Also on my Telegram channel, you have to just join my Telegram channel and you can support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coin and those meme coin that I'm recently buying. I will share you all my details here. Okay, so recently I buy this meme coin and other meme coins was selfie token. Recently I also buy that meme coin and recently I also buy orc. So I will update you all my crypto that meme coin I'm going to buy next on my Telegram channel. So you have to just join my Telegram channel and support Sky Crypto channel. So France beats in them $0.006 current price. Last 7 days price is amazing. Here you can see pump by 983%. Yes, this is amazing. $3 million market. This is already huge because this meme coin was super low initially, but already pumped 1000% here. But since still this market is low because there's no many major central exchange listing yet for this meme coin. So this is good. $485,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. So trading volume is also good, and for 60 total supply is very low, just 800 million coin supply and 500 million in circulation. So meme coin, and why I was very bullish initially in this video that I told you that this meme coin can be the next 1000x potential meme coin and can be the next $1 billion market meme coin. Reason is here, this friends, you can see AI meme. Okay, it's recently crypto market has massive trend for AI cryptos, and in AI category AI meme coins just like Turbo listed on Binance. Another meme coin Gorgeous, okay, Gorge Maximum, that's another meme coin. Okay, and that is also in $1 billion market. So this is another meme coin's name is Beats, and this is AI category meme coins. That's also possible that if we see a massive boom again in AI category meme coin, then this meme coin can skyrocket soon here. Just 3 hours ago, this meme coin has max sold time higher from we are just 0.3% down only, and 2000% pumped the install time low. So this is awesome. Coin has already killed 1-0 since its launching. So that's why this meme coin has amazing performance since last 8 days. This is awesome, friends. Still there's no any centralized exchange listing for this meme coin. All trading volume is on dexes, so this is somehow good. And it's still its market cap is just $3 million. So this is, friends, good for us because if this meme coin will list on any centralized exchange, then definitely you can see its market cap in short term up to maybe $10 million or maybe more. You can check out all website here. Okay, friends, website is looking good. You can see best and meme coin and good meme have, and you're gonna check out all further details is how you can buy this meme coin and 800 million coin supplies. I already tell you zero buying selling tax for this meme coin. LP is 68%, that is locked for next 4 years. This is good. You can copy its official contract address from their website, and its tokenomics is all further details. You can see music meme, this AI meme coin and music based meme coin. You can see it's all memes here. Okay, so all memes are provided on their website. So no doubt website is looking good. So no doubt, friends, tokens also looking good. 2200 holders for this meme coin. Friends, I see 2200 holders for this meme coin already. This is good because it's no to all meme coin. Number one wallet has 31% of its supply, so this is highest holding supply for this meme coin. And these are the other wallets, they are holding this supply 6%, 3%, 2%, 1%. So these are the other wallets, they are holding this coin, and you can check out all further details on base scan also, friends. This is looking good. And now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market cap is $3 million market cap, but this is totally new meme coin can be dumped, okay, up to maybe 2x or maybe 4x. It's also possible in short term this meme coin can dump here, but it's also possible that if any centralized exchange list this coin, then definitely we can see this market to be double here. But friends, no doubt, right now investing in this meme coin can be highly risky also, because still there's no any central exchange listing for this meme coin and super low cap meme coin. So that's why highly risky but highly rewarded also. So if you're not making investment in this meme coin, do your own research and then invest here.